Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Dana. I upload a new video at least once a week, so if you haven't already, now is a great time to subscribe so you can stay on top of all of those new videos. Today I'm going to share my planning with you for next month and look back on last month, March, and talk about my highlights and what I'm looking forward to next month. So I follow Lavendare's Plan With Me videos. I really love hers. I've been following her like Plan With Me videos for over a year now, and I really love them. It really helps me look forward and make like little goals and things, and really just helps me like live a more fulfilling life. So I write in this little notebook every single month and I follow her prompts. The first thing we do is March in one word. For me, March was so fun. There were so many just like fun events. I haven't had fun like this in probably years. So it was an awesome month for me. My highlights were I got a haircut. That was really fun. My friend Chelsea did it, and then we went on a little double date afterwards. I went roller skating twice with Chelsea, my best friend. We had her bridal shower, we had her bachelorette party, and that was so fun. I went out to eat with my family, got to spend some time with my parents and my brother, which was great. Gerald treated me. Our anniversary is next month, but he bought me a gift, and it's this Gucci necklace. And I'm so obsessed with it. This is actually my first chance I've had to like wear it out anywhere. So you guys are the first to see me in it. I absolutely love it, and I was so surprised that he got it for me. My aunt, who's like in her 60s, got married to her longtime partner. They've been together more than 20 years, so that was a really big highlight this month, was to see her marry the love of her life after all this time. You know, he's always been part of our family, but now it's like official, and that was really special. We enjoyed some nice weather. There was a day that me and Gerald got to go for a nice walk at our old park by our old house that we absolutely love. I went for an MRI, which was definitely not a highlight, but all my results came back clear, and I don't even need to follow up or anything. I don't have to go for another scan. I don't need a follow-up appointment. My tumor is calcified and everything else looked good to them. So thank God for that. That is something to celebrate. In therapy, I learned the TIP methods, the TIP skills, I think they were called, about how to like calm your body when you're really like stressed and on edge. And that helped me so quickly. It's amazing. I'll link it, the TIP skills, but my favorite one is the first one, actually, T for temperature. When you're feeling like that anxiety and you like can't shake it, and like even sometimes like I'll be so anxious over something, and then like that situation will be resolved, but my body like won't get the memo, and I'll still be like really shaky and on edge. So that was what was going on when I talked about it with my therapist, and she taught me the TIP skills. And the first one is temperature. This sounds crazy, but it really was amazing. It worked so well. You fill a bowl with some cold water. I threw in a couple ice cubes, and then you want to hold your breath and put your face into the water for about 30 seconds. And I did it a couple times just to really make sure like it would work. Because what happens is, as mammals, your body, when your face is cold like that, will think that you're diving, and it'll send all the oxygen to the parts that need it, like your head and your heart. So you're not getting those like nervous system responses. So like it really just like snapped me out of it within like a day. It was incredible. I really recommend that to everybody. I finished the moon backdrop for my best friend's wedding, which is tomorrow, the day I'm filming this. I'm so excited. Her actual wedding day is today. She's getting married like privately, but then like the reception is tomorrow, and I finished my part for that. My brother helped me build the stand for it, so I got to spend some time with my brother, and I love how it came out. I'm so excited, and I'm completely prepared for the wedding. So this is like one of the most exciting weddings like of my life. My very best friend is marrying her perfect match, so I'm really thrilled. One thing I learned this month was the basics of how to roller skate. I sort of have that on my list. Like I really want to like get good at roller skating. One thing I'm proud of, I think I was a good host. I hosted Chelsea's bachelorette party at my house, like the nighttime part, the sleepover and everything, because we did have a sleepover, and I think I did a good job. I was really happy with with how everything turned out, and I think she had a really fun time. And then we'll move on to April 2022 goals. So my intention for April is that it will be fresh. April is really the start of spring where I live. March, we don't get much spring weather. It's our anniversary, and it really just feels like refreshing, renewing. We're moving towards summer, and that feels really fresh and good. My top 3 goals. Number 1, I'm gonna do every single thing I can to ensure that my friend has a perfect wedding for her. And her wedding is actually like the very start of the month, so that one's gonna be done pretty quickly. And that's what the wedding cake represents on my vision board. My number 2 goal, I don't wanna say because it's kind of a surprise. We decided on something that we wanna do for my birthday, which is not till September, but we need to kind of get the ball rolling now for it. So that, get the ball rolling for that is my number 2. And I didn't put anything on the board to like represent that because it's not like happening this month. It's just like I have to get going on it. And then my 3rd goal is to reconnect with my husband and enjoy our anniversaries. He got sick last week, and I was so worried about being sick for the wedding. I always have a lot of anxiety around getting ill before like events I'm looking forward to, but also it just so happens to be that I get sick before every event I'm excited for. Like, I don't know if it's like I get anxious and then like my immune system, I don't know, but this always happens. So I was like really going out of my way to make sure I wasn't going to get sick. So, you know, Gerald was kind of like isolated, and I went and spent a night at my parents' house to like just avoid the illness, but then I got it anyway. So I just feel like we've been living separate lives because we've been sick these past week, honestly. And we have our 3rd wedding anniversary and our 12th dating anniversary this month, in April. And I'm so excited for that. We like to take pictures on our anniversary. Every year we take like a new, do like a little photo shoot. And if you follow like the different materials, like the 1st wedding anniversary is the paper anniversary. The 2nd is the cotton anniversary. So I looked like a cotton candy. I made like a poofy dress. And the 3rd one is the leather anniversary. So I think we're going to wear leather jackets for our pictures, and that will be so cool because when we first met, Gerald always wore a leather jacket. So I love that look and that vibe. Then my mini goals. I need to get ahead on my channel. I've been kind of running behind. I'm filming this video literally like the same day I need it edited and ready to go up. My mom and I are doing some Easter baking. So what you see on the vision board on the bottom here is Easter bread, Italian Easter bread. It's like a really good like sweet bread with sprinkles on it. It's so delicious. We don't usually put like the actual egg in the middle. We just make like the bread, but we haven't had it in years, and I was just thinking about it, and my mom said she'd really like to make it with me. So we're gonna make a couple Easter baked items. The cherry blossoms always bloom in April, the flowering trees, and those are really special to me. Those have a special place in my heart, so I look forward to that every single year. And the nice spring weather. And the popcorn represents that I think we're gonna go to a movie theater for the first time since the pandemic. We haven't been to the movie theater at all. I'm not really into like superhero movies, so I know there were a lot of like, you know, Batman and all of that, but I'm just not into that. But Secrets of Dumbledore is coming out this month, and we're really into Harry Potter, so we'd like to go to the theater to see it with my brother. So that's everything I got for this month. I feel like it's definitely like much more low-key than last month. I had so much going on in March, but it was so fun. Like, I've never had fun like that, probably since like my wedding. Hopefully it'll be a little more peaceful this month, a little more low-key, and we'll have time to like really relax after our friend's wedding and celebrate our anniversary. So that is what I've got going on. I love to hear from all of you about what you have going on this month. So let me know in the comments what you're most looking forward to this month, or if you have any like big special goals you're working towards. But anyway, I hope you and your families are all staying safe and healthy. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.